dual pull brake lever, thumb throttle all in one, lock for the brake. So I did that. I could probably Dremel these to where these lock in a little better. Also put my little cheap light on here, squeezing the brake. That's the tail light, then brake. This was supposed to be in a white LED in here. When you hit the brake, it also lights up, I think. I know it's a turn signal. Yeah, it's got the turn signal up there. But works pretty good. Kind of. Try to get a view of it here. Full pull on it. It is adjustable, but I got it all the way out. Pretty nice little setup. I think it was $14 on Amazon. Had it the next day. Only thing I had to do was Dremel out where this goes in a little bit. It still might need a little more. Gaps, a little gap there. That gasket is maybe a tiny bit loose right through there. But you can also probably thread for this size. I think it's an M10 or something. You could probably just put this together and then run a tap through it for this, because it didn't have any threads in there, and that would probably work too. But it's holding it pretty tight right there. It's a little loose. Might try to, I got some tap, I might run a tap through there, give it a little grab, then I can snug it down. And it was a little, for my setup, it was a little too short, so I slid this on here. I mean, it was too long, the cable was, so I slid this from a NT carburetor inside of my little throttle stop setup here. It's a socket with a M4 bolt welded to it. It works, it ain't been bending or anything. But this is just a little bit too short. It's pulling my throttle a little bit, or it's making it too short, so I'm going to trim this lock stop thing here just a little bit, and it should all be working fine. I really don't recommend this setup for the light. I'm gonna get a single light here, a real big one too. But it's alright for the brake light part of it. I think I gotta probably gonna glue these lenses on here with some better glue. I've heard they came loose, and the trigger that comes with it, I just wired it right there. It's just a little skinny one, right, goes through here, and connected it right here to the wires. Works good though. Definitely give me a better light for it now, and I'm gonna give me a better spark plug tomorrow, and then maybe some better chain. I rewrapped my seat. Nice. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. Later.